Hello, how you doing? Look, let's get straight in on this one. Really, really delicious, and of course, really super famous. I've got 2 cups of potatoes, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of peas, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm using curry powder, like a masala powder, 1 tablespoon, and just under a cup of cilantro or coriander. Now, you can see that what I've done is I've cut everything really, really small. The only other thing we're going to add to this is, of course, a little bit of salt. Let's get to the cooker. So in my pan, I've got some oil here. You can use any type of oil you want. I'm using the sunflower oil, but change that to know what suits you. We're on a slightly above medium heat, and very simply what we're going to do, as that oil gets hot, we're going to start adding in our ingredients. I'm going to start off by adding in my onion, and quite important that everything's cut quite small, I suppose, apart from the potatoes, which are they're small, but it's just a bit bigger. The carrot, you can even grate the carrot if you want. I've chopped it really small, but you could grate it. In go our potatoes, peeled, washed, and then in they go, all tiny cut. In goes the curry powder that I'm using. Garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. 1 tablespoon of that. Little bit of salt. And then we're going to cook this for around 5 to 6 minutes. We're going to be stirring often. Now, if you wanted, you could get some mustard seeds in here, some cumin seeds. We're going to do it kind of nice and plain today. And at this point now, we're just going to add the last 2 ingredients, which are our peas and our fresh coriander. Give that a mix, and you've now got your filling ready. Now it's all about the fold now. Now I'm using pre-bought sheets. I find it so much easier. We're going to run through a little process here now of the fold. And just on the end there, that piece there, what I'm using is a little mixture of water and flour, and that kind of acts as a glue, you know, it'll kind of stick it down there. And that's it. I'll just show you this a few more times so you can see how it's done. Now, there are several ways of doing this. This is the way that I'm doing it. You can see a very small amount of the filling in there at one end, and then off we go with the fold. Okay, job done. So very simply now we're going to get over to the cooker. Once again, we're going to get some oil. Again, I'm using sunflower oil, but you can change that. Now you can deep fry them or shallow fry them. Medium heat, so we want the oil hot, but not crazy hot. And these are going to cook literally in like a minute, 2 minutes. You know, you're going to flip them over. You know what we're looking for, that beautiful golden brown color. Job done, so easy. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. And if you do like what you're seeing here, please do remember to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe. It really does help the channel.